Good morning. Did you know that PRP is today the magic gold for youth? It is in fact considered as the holy grail for someone who wants to look young. We are now using PRP for hair, we are using PRP for the face, we are using it to improve the shape of structures where we put fat injections like in the breast or the buttock. So the PRP allows the fat to stay better, and so it has a better shape. So I'm sure you did not know all of this, and we're going to have some fun with PRP today. I'm going to be doing a live PRP treatment within a few seconds, and we're going to be seeing that. So I have Pooja here. Hi Pooja. And we've done 2 sessions of PRP for her before, and today is the 3rd session. So let me just discuss a little bit about what PRP is. Now PRP is platelet rich plasma treatment. PRP is platelet rich plasma treatment, and we take blood about 10 to 20 ml depending on how much is required, and from that we separate out the plasma or the white blood. Now this white blood is nothing less than gold. We use very tiny shots of 0.1 ml in the hair. PRP works brilliantly to reduce further hair fall. In fact, we've had patients who have noticeably seen an increase in density in their head, and we've been able to avoid a few transplants in some patients. It works very, very well for women. Also, we've been doing a lot of PRP on the face in a treatment called vampire facial. We combine PRP along with something called microneedling. I have a microneedling radiofrequency device which is amazing for skin tightening. So I use a combination in what is called as the vampire facial treatment, and it has immense use in restoring the youth on the face, a glow. And PRP on the face will restore the youth. It will remove some of the wrinkle lines, improve some of the open pores. It brings a nice glow on the face, and all the patients always say that their friends tell them that they look very, very young. But we need to do them a couple of times. Now I've done PRP to improve scars, acne scars. When we do fat injections into the acne scars, I also do PRP into the skin, and it almost magically transforms the skin. We inject PRP in the buttocks to improve the fat retention, improve the shape. PRP has a role in stretch marks. PRP has a role in pigmentation. We do a lot of PRP for facial pigmentation and even axillary pigmentation. A lot of people have some pigmentation along the underarm, so it works reasonably well there as well. So PRP has a lot of indications, and I have done PRP on my own head to reduce further hair fall. So watch me live on Insta now. So we are going to do the PRP now. So this is the plasma, the white part of the blood, which has been separated from this. So this is the red part, which is the blood cells, and the part on top is used as the PRP or the magic gold. And this I'm going to be injecting all along the face. So her problem is mostly pigmentation. A lot of it is going to be here, and I'm going to go serially from bottom to the top. So as you can see, it's a very comfortable procedure. I have not even put a local anesthesia cream for Pooja today, and she is able to tolerate it reasonably well. The forehead tends to be a little painful, so that we must put something. So I'm just going to do a few shots. This is the last bit of it. Ice pack. So it's a good practice to keep ice packs on the face to reduce the burning sensation. There's going to be a bit of a burning thing on the face for about half an hour. So just use some ice packs, and that tends to improve it a lot. So that's the PRP demonstration that I wanted to do today, just to show that it's a very safe, simple, almost painless procedure, and has very good results for pigmentation, hair fall, for open pores,